I told you that buying solo isn't a red flag, it might be your biggest flex. I know the fear is real. The idea of walking into a lender's office by yourself, showing up to open houses where everyone assumes that you've got a partner in the parking lot at the car, making a six-figure decision alone. That fear is valid, but here's the truth most people won't say out loud. Doing it alone doesn't mean doing it in isolation. And fear, that's not a weakness. That's an awareness. That means you're paying attention, not pretending. So today, we're gonna talk through that fear, decode it, and flip it into something more powerful. Before you even call a real estate agent, before the pre-approval, before Zillow starts serving you ads at 3 a.m. I'm Tamara, also known as BlackGirlBlonde, your soon-to-be 615 real estate agent. This channel is about your clarity for relocating to or buying in Nashville and surrounding areas. I specialize in what I call life-aligned home buying. Lifestyle-driven, inclusive, feelings first, experience focus. If that resonates with where you are in your journey, then baby, you're in the right place at the right time. Let's get into it. Let's normalize it. Fear doesn't mean you're not ready. Fear means this decision matters maybe a lot to you. And when you're a solo woman thinking about buying a home, especially with maybe children, student loans, or a soft life in your heart, there's a lot that comes up. What if I lose income? What if I pick the wrong house? What if I buy and still feel unstable? These are not irrational questions. These are protective, responsible, smart questions. They come from someone who has held it down for herself, sometimes for years, and doesn't want to mess this up. But here's what I want you to hold on to. Buying solo doesn't mean buying in fear. It means buying with clarity. According to NAR, which is the National Association of Realtors, nearly 1 in 5 home buyers today are single women. You are not the exception. You're a part of the new norm. You are not behind. You are part of the new narrative. Let's flip the script a little bit. We're taught that buying a home is what you do once you're married, partnered, or have 2 incomes. But let me be real. Buying solo is a form of radical self-trust. It means you don't have to compromise. Not on the location, not on the layout, not on your peace. So instead of asking, can I really do this by myself? Ask yourself, what does peace look like in my life every single day? What would security feel like in a body, not just my budget? What kind of home lets me exhale, not perform? Because we're not chasing a Pinterest board. We're building a life. That townhome near your favorite brunch spot, that's not extra. That's alignment. Need to feel safe pulling into your driveway alone at night isn't picky. It's powerful. You want to walk your dog or your baby stroller in peace without being stared down or side-eyed? That's worth building around. You get to want what you want. You get to build something that fits you, not just makes sense on paper. Let me tell you about my friend Nia. 36, newly divorced, 2 kids, decent credit, okay? Not rich, but ready. She told me, Tamara, I don't want a big house. I just want something that feels like a win, not wait. We got clear on her must-haves. We pulled her free credit report. She qualified for some down payment assistance. We found her a 2-bedroom in a community with great walkability under her budget. And I wasn't even a realtor then. This was just friends doing this. And when she closed, you guys, she cried in the driveway, not because it was fancy, but because it was hers. Because it was proof that she still could choose herself and still be secure. Another friend, she bought a condo and called it her healing house. Because she built it on her own terms, not timelines. Let's talk steps. Here's your no fluff starter plan if you're serious about buying solo. First, you're gonna download the Soft Move Starter Kit. This isn't a sales pitch. This is a clarity workbook. You map out your budget, your lifestyle, your energy levels, and your ideal locations before you even search for one home. Step 2, we're going to explore solo-friendly loan options. FHA is available for 3.5 down, THDA programs, that's Tennessee-specific grants and forgivable loans. Step 3, visit open houses if you're not ready. Let me repeat it. Visit open houses even if you're not ready. What this does is help you get a feel for what your money can buy and what neighborhood feels like home. Step 4, follow this channel. My Soft Life Relocation series is literally built for you. Every video is a permission slip and a plan. Step 5, know this. You don't need a cosigner to create a soft life. You do not need a cosigner to create your soft life. You don't need a partner to build stability. You don't need a perfect plan to move forward. You just need your next right step. You might be watching this from DC, from Oakland, from Atlanta, or maybe a small town where nobody around you is doing what you're about to do. But that doesn't mean you're wrong. It means you're first. And baby, that's legacy energy. You're not being dramatic. You're being discerning. You're not being impulsive. You're being intentional. And if no one else has told you, I'm going to tell you, you're allowed to want more without waiting for someone to come and do it with you. Download your Soft Move Starter Kit below. Let it guide you before Google does. Let it soften the process and start the plan. And drop a comment. Until next time, stay rooted, stay real. And remember, solo doesn't mean unsupported. You've got this, and I'm right here with you. Until next time.